break the moon, won't believe. Provide love and overlook, don't appreciate. You see, you can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman such in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace. I touch your soul when you hear me say, boy, let me be your woman. Let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman. I can be your lady. I'm a woman. I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away that drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. Cause you will never know a guy without a goddess. His honest is fucking honest, getting knocked. I mean, I could be that D ahead of all the studies. I can smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO just looking. Team girl, don't ever think you ain't had these nigga dream girl. They wanna put us against each other when we succeed. And for no reason, they wanna see us live life. Regina on Mean Girl. You, Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the sky. I'm the money. Let me be your woman. Let me be your woman. I need to be your. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Touch your body, touch your body, touch your body, just yeah. Touch my body, touch my body, just. We could be corny, fucking sugar. I ain't no dummy, dummy. I like to say what if we could kiss and just cut the rubber. Then I'ma be on to something. I ain't giving you one in public. I'm giving you hundreds, come get it. Somewhere you gotta get into. Same personal, last no wisdom too. And they wishing that the tea was a kissing. Breakfast, lunch, and